How to make a widget on iPhone. Here's exactly how to make one using the built-in tools. Step 1. Press and hold anywhere on your home screen until the apps start jiggling. Then tap the plus button in the top left corner. Step 2. Scroll through the list or use the search bar. You can pick widgets from built-in apps like weather, photos, clock, calendar, or even third-party apps that support widgets. Step 3. Each widget comes in small, medium, or large. Swipe to preview the sizes, then tap Add Widget when you've picked one. Step 4. Drag the widget anywhere on your screen. Tap Done in the top right when you're happy with the layout. Step 5. To change the widget info, press and hold the widget, then tap Edit Widget. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.